The year 2020 is about to come to an end. A year that has tested human endurance to the utmost limit. The coronavirus pandemic has caused havoc in everyday lives and generated a black swan moment in history. And yet, human courage and fortitude have shone through this darkest hour. Never was this more evident than in IIT Kharagpur, which forged ahead under the able leadership of its director, Professor V.K. Tiwari.
Hello, I am V.K. Tiwari, complete Virendra Kumar Tiwari. I am brought up in this campus of IIT Kharagpur for the last 40 years. I did my schooling as well as BTech, MTech and PhD at IIT Kharagpur. I became a student of IIT Kharagpur in 1974. On 16th of July, I entered this institute in my department. I became head of the department, of two departments for that matter, Department of Agricultural and Food Engineering and as well as Rural Development Center. I was also, immediately after becoming professor, I was given the responsibility of the joint entrance examination. So I was vice chairman in 2004 and organizing chairman, All India organizing chairman in 2005 and 2006. And of course now I am the director of IIT Kharagpur. Now when I saw the ranking of this institute, I was wondering, we are 300 plus ranking, why should we not be in the top 10 in the world? When I joined 31st December 2019 and up to March 15, things were very normal, and suddenly this COVID attacked us, and you can see that everything has to be stopped to the extent that we asked the students to leave and gave them a choice, and suddenly we had to adopt to a different normal of way of life in a campus like this, and we had about 5,500 students at that time.
The institute rose to the challenge and came up with a string of innovations related to the detection and control of the deadly virus. CoviRAP, a first-of-its-kind device that enables testing at affordable costs. Antigen-based sensor for the detection of COVID-19 under a minute. Telemedicine software and diagnostic devices to provide critical healthcare support to patients. Microneedle and low-cost surgical masks. Physical distance tracking and monitoring device for crowd management. Mathematical models to aid decision-making during the pandemic for healthcare sector, industry and academia. During the lockdown, strict adherence to government guidelines ensured the health and safety of the 5,500 students who remained on campus. A synchronous e-teaching platform enabled the smooth completion of the spring and autumn semester. Despite the challenging circumstances, IIT Kharagpur students bagged 1,000 plus placements in 8 days. The institute constituted task force negotiated with industry to help minimize withdrawal of job offers. IIT Kharagpur distributed relief material for affected locals and did direct bank transfer of funds for the economically disadvantaged. A slew of innovations and research have flown out of the portals of IIT Kharagpur. Eco-friendly biodegradable food packaging material from cucumber peel, vegetable oil powder for a healthy heart, automated smart devices for cardiac care, robotic systems to detect and treat plant diseases, AI-based innovations in manufacturing technology that advance India's journey towards Industry 4.0, AI-powered low-cost meteorological inspection system, AI-based prediction model for arsenic detection in drinking water, new chemical treatment to extract industry-grade silica from rice biomass, Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva forecasting climatic risks, discovery of microplastic contamination in paper cups, and new research related to waste management, rainfall pattern and water levels. Come to think of it, IIT Kharagpur remained more busy than ever, even during the pandemic situation. The institute launched the first of its kind academy of classical and folk arts. It held an international symposia on Gandhian thoughts and philosophy. It organized Bharat Tirtha, an international webinar on Indian knowledge systems, held the Spark International Conference on Healthcare Technologies with experts from India, USA, UK, Australia, Sweden, South Africa and the Netherlands, and organized ICRA Chem 2020, the first online international conference on recent advances in computational and experimental mechanics. The Institute held an international webinar on India, the global destination for higher education. It held an international webinar on safe mining and advanced resources technology 2020. IIT Kharagpur's international relations have progressed by leaps and bounds. The Union Minister for Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, inaugurated International Faculty Visitors Accommodation and laid the foundation stones for 2 halls of residence. There have been initiation of major projects as well. A new project from NABARD, Agri-Business Incubation, the Sati Center, Sophisticated Advanced Technology Instrumentation, Spark Project Phase 2 with IIT Kharagpur as the National Coordinator, finalization of agreements with TCS and DRDO on activities at the Research Park at Rajarhat, Kolkata. It also set up a technology innovation hub on AI and machine learning. It established Lab to Market Cell to provide a structured platform for the transfer of laboratory-based research to commercialization. New courses and administrative measures have kicked off. Online course on application of digital technologies in agriculture. Constitution of Committee for Review of UG and PG Curriculum for 2020-21. From academic and R&D units to institute maintenance, IIT Kharagpur is stepping up its activities under the new leadership. From darkness to light, IIT Kharagpur is looking forward to the year 2021 with hope and the dream of serving the cause of a self-reliant nation under the leadership of Professor V.K. Tiwari, who carries forward the Institute's unparalleled legacy of excellence.